Dude. That's all that comes on. Okay guys, so I'm here downtown meeting up with Anthony that I haven't seen in so long. As you guys know, some of you may know, some of you may not know, he is currently in Aurelia for school, so we don't get to see each other. Sorry. And you know, he's like, I should run him over. He's coming now. He's like crossing the street. I'm at church in Wellesley. Look crazy. My forehead looks big, but I promise you it's not really big because, you know, he's coming, guys. My lips look good. Hey, bitch! Who's that? I'm so excited! I haven't seen you in so long. What? I did a little fucky sucky yesterday. I know it's small. It's a small place, but it gets the job done. Oh my god, how you been, man?
I put her onto that popcorn bag.
Okay, no you didn't. No you did not. That shit is look at. You guys, I don't like driving downtown because these cyclists want to cry after they get hit. They want to cry, and then I go to jail. What?
I'm actually staying here. Yeah. I'm meeting photographers and.
Oh yeah, how was it today?
It was fun. I got naked.
It's always good. I like, you know, doing that, especially in front of strangers. It just feels so good. Makes you feel good. Where do you do your shoes? Is it like indoors, outdoors?
Indoor. I couldn't be naked outside.
You can. You definitely can. It gives you a rush. You know? It does. God, Hells Angels. Dude, stop fucking recording me. Oh, hi, Daddy. Sorry. He's cute. Let's take, you want to take shots first? Let's take some shots first.
I was drinking before you came.
What? Why didn't you tell me? I should have brought my alcohol.
This is actually my vacation. I haven't done anything all year.
I know, right? This Corona really stopped a lot of shit. Guys, we about to go to warehouse, take some shots and whatever. It's tequila, but fuck it.
For life, yeah. I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me this energy, trying to take away from the nigga. Fucking make it count, mad shit. Hood, but I'm bad, rich, but I'm rad shit. This sound like Cardi with the braids. Jimmy the Green, baby, money in the day. This is a ride.
If I die, I know it's from here. So we came to the Popeyes on Young. Isn't it only spicy? Hi. Can I get the new sandwich?
But do you want that a combo or just a sandwich?
Just a sandwich.
A sandwich? Spicy or mild?
Oh. Spicy? Spicy, sure. Let me try this. I don't. Actually, no, I don't like spicy.
Mild?
I'm gonna get regular, but can I have regular?
Yeah.
But can I have it fresh? I don't mind waiting.
Oh, everything is fresh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're not like America, like. Y'all seen in that when your Popeyes came out, you guys were OD.
Someone got killed over it.
Like there was no line in there. Although it came out yesterday, still there was no line. Like there was nothing. Whatever.
Chick-fil-A always has a line though now.
Right?
I had it.
So it wasn't too bad. I kind of want to sit on these benches, but you might get corona. Oh.
I'm a little drunk, I guess.
Me too.
It's like
ask him if you can eat inside his office.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Can I watch?
Excuse me, I want to eat. Ooh, let me see it. Oh.
I didn't even tell you. For Mukbang, one of my roommates that I didn't like died of a fentanyl overdose in the house.
In your house?
Yeah.
I
Swear to God.
So what did you do?
I didn't find his body. My other roommate did. Yeah. I didn't live there. Once he died, I didn't go back. Like I was staying at my friend's house, cat sitting.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and the landlord didn't mention. She still hasn't mentioned that he died to me. All she was worried about was money.
So fentanyl, that's cocaine?
This is like liquid.
Oh my god, how old is he?
26.
That's fucking sad. White?
Yeah. I didn't like him. My landlord was just looking for someone to rent the room. She didn't care who he was. Your bed looks
Crazy. Yeah, I know. I don't know what they did to me, but they fucked my shit up. The bitch didn't like me because I asked for it fresh, so. Dude.
That's all that comes on.
So this is a chicken sandwich. Just a chicken sandwich? So why are people OD out here?
Well, died.
That's crazy. The man died.
Yeah.
So he's shooting it up his arm? Or it's the nose?
Literally, it's a liquid. A tiny teardrop on your tongue can kill you.
Is he going through something?
A divorce.
Is it here? Oh my god. That's crazy.
He was actually crazy though.
Like crazy like how? Okay.
My one?
Put this on here?
Yeah. My one roommate would ask him to turn on his music, and his reply would be, "Do you want to fight? Do you have a problem?" I'm like, well, he must have been high or something, because that's not the response the normal person would do.
Is it supposed to look like that? This? What is this?
The breading getting soggy from the mayonnaise.
Like you seen all the drugs and shit there?
Did I see it?
The man, whoever found it.
I don't know. Talk to him.
So wait, when was this?
I'll tell you the exact date. August 23rd. So yeah, that's what I took. That's part of my little staycation vlog coming soon. I needed a little break. Up north is not for black people.
Honestly. People think that Canada is like...
And I thought I grew up in the hood. We partially did, but we weren't around drugs like that. I wasn't around drugs at all. Weed became a thing when I hit grade 10, and I didn't even do it.
There's just been more cases, like even those 3 guys that died at Western Road.
What did they die from? Same thing?
3 of them. One of them was in critical condition. But I think they're saying that someone laced their shit.
He got something laced.
Oh, was laced?
I think it was weed.
That's this guy that died.
Yeah.
It's like I don't know. It could be from what I see on the movies. It's turf war. No, seriously. It's turf war. The people that don't want them selling on their turf, they get someone on the inside to put shit in their batch and just kill off all of them. There's then that way no one's gonna buy from them no more, right? Because everyone's trying to find out, oh, where did he get his shit from? I'm not going back there. It's fucked up, bro.
But when he wasn't doing drugs, he was like drinking, so he was an alcoholic. 26.
26.
I'm only 21, but I need to take advantage of life. That's why I'm staying down here. This made me want to even move here even more. That's bad. But I'm going to start doing it more often.
That's crazy.
He lived there for probably 3 weeks. Yeah, it wasn't long. All of this happened in a very short time. That's why I needed to come back here and become a normal, like, get back into my normal life.
Wow. That's like so unfortunate, man.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you took a break. Because that's a lot to deal with. In the house you sleep.
Yeah. My things were there.
You just want to fucking detox. Burn it off. I don't want it.
I literally was like, can I just leave all of this stuff, please?
Burn it off. I don't want it. And then
I saw his body. I'd probably be in Europe right now. Like, I'd just leave Canada. I wouldn't.
So wait, what did the guy say? Like, was he in the shot? Like, where was he? Like, where was his body found?
In his room.
Like, on the floor, on the bed? Like,
I don't know any of that. I haven't talked to the guy that found him.
Is he still living there?
No, we all moved out. She's selling the house.
Seriously good. Imagine.
The guy that found him was he recommended him to move in to the land. He's a friend of a friend type of thing. Imagine.
That's like one of my biggest fears. Finally.
It's freaking me out because it's so close to me, and fentanyl is a liquid. It can be put in your drink and you can die.
Imagine if he was mad at you and like
something. But he didn't know either because it was like laced.
Oh, it was in his weed.
Yeah. Or or in either weed or cocaine. But his teeth were fucked. So tell me if you know, comment down below what drug fucks up your teeth.
I think all of them. Honestly, I even think all of them.
So yeah, I'm writing off this year. This was just a practice year. Not even practice.
This year was a wake the fuck up.
Yeah.
Wake the fuck up because shit ain't sweet.
No. And it's crazy that we can't fully look forward to next year because this can go on.
Who knew we'd be in a whole world pandemic? I've been thinking like I want to start making more memories. You know what I mean? Like going places, memories with you guys. Like I know you've been away for school and shit like that too, right? But everyone else, like, we need to start actually doing stuff. Like, seriously doing shit. Like, even if it's a local vacation, like, y'all know I'm always traveling. Like, I actually want all of us to go. Like, and enjoy ourselves.
I'm good at looking for deals.
Shut up, because you never go.
Not to Miami. I'm not, like, I wasn't 21.
So you can get a fake ID. First of all, when we went to Miami, I'm telling you, the 3 years that I went, this year, I went to the club. The other 2 years, I didn't even go. I didn't make it to the club. Because the streets were so lit. Like, I didn't even make it. But I really hope you're coming with me in March.
Yes. I would like to book before the end of the year.
Yeah.
I give this a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, so this tastes like a regular sandwich. Like a regular, maybe because I don't get spicy, but I don't really fuck with spicy like that. So. Yeah, 7.5. Nothing to kill nobody over though. That's a fact.
So that ends today's vlog or mukbang. It'll be a vlog.
A chit-chat vlog, mukbang, whole lot.
She came.
Taking off my makeup, guys.
Just consider this the intro and outro.
Right? Make sure you guys stay blessed. Comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a banger.
Thumbs up. Check out my channel. This year's been draining. And yeah.
So draining.
Positive thoughts though. Look forward to next year's travels. Honestly, you can travel now, but you're gonna risk getting coronavirus. And honestly, I would, because the flight's gonna be empty anyways. Bye.
Bye, guys.